Hi guys, this week we were tasked with selecting 2 applications or tools or presentation tools that we find beneficial in the education realm. One of the great things is that apps and resources are evolving so often, there are plenty to choose from. The 2 that I selected are Pinterest and then a website called the Virginia Education Wizard. Many people are familiar with Pinterest. We all probably have a personal account, but in my professional area, we do use Pinterest to collaborate, pin objects, and organize collections of topics. Row 2013 says that Pinterest is marketed as a social networking site that allows users to pin objects and organize collections of topics that they find interesting or useful. So objects can include anything: recipes, resources, clothing, basically anything that you would like to search in the Pinterest world you can find. Another thing that Rose said was that school librarians are using Pinterest. You can search topics like award-winning books or creative writing, information literacy, and are instantly connected with a large amount of pins and boards from other educators that have found that same tool useful. Then you can add it to your collection to use it at a later date. Some of the topics that I organize in Pinterest and then share with faculty and staff are study skills tips, quick reference guides for content topics such as nursing. There are tons of little animations and brain dumps and those types of resources on Pinterest that nursing faculty and students find very beneficial. Writing tips. There are all kinds of resources in Pinterest for writing tips. There are things for resume writing, those types of collections, and it's really nice because I can create a board, I can share it out, other users can add to it if I want to make that option available. There are tons of Learning Assistance Center topics on there that are accessed and shared as needed. So that's the first topic I wanted to share with you. The next one is called the Virginia Education Wizard. And that website is vawizard.org. I love this tool. So it is an interactive online tool that is designed to help students and really any user succeed in discovering career pathways, important information about college planning, academic planning, those types of tools. It is a free resource, so any student, educator, community member can use it, and it starts them off with guided assessments. It provides financial aid resources and direct links. It really is what I would consider a one-stop shop website because all the information you should need from start to finish is on that website directly. So you can do the interest assessment and it'll match you with careers based on your interest. Lots of K through 12 educators I recommend and direct them towards this website. Once you kind of see where your interests are leading you, it tells you, okay, well, you may need a specific degree or program or certification, and it has that information right there. When you're looking at that information, it immediately shows you Virginia schools that offer that program, how long the program is, the expected tuition cost, if there are grants for it, loans, what financial aid resources you need to apply, those types of things. And then it will also show you the information about jobs for that particular interest, career, certificate, those types of things. It shows you the average salary in Virginia for that specific job. It shows you a list of employers, what type of degree or certification or any add-ons they would like to hire you, how often they're hiring, those types of things, and it connects you directly with that employer. So I love that tool. I love it for new students. I love it for returning students. I love it for the student that is displaced. Sometimes it is a first ray of hope for them because at that point, if they're displaced, they usually first bit of hope when they are returning or making a change in their career, life, academics, anything like that. As for churches and how they are using applications and presentations, just like educators, they can use it for whatever their needs are, whether that is sharing sermons digitally or even using the presentation software inside of the church itself, sharing updates. They can use it to facilitate praise and worship services, those types of things. I found that a majority of churches have developed their own websites to connect with their communities and to promote outreach, and are using mobile apps in that same way, kind of as a social media outreach or to update their community and their individuals inside their church. They use it to uplift one another, encourage, support, just like any other type of technology resource. Those are the things I wanted to share this week. I hope you're having a fantastic week. Thank you.